this is Mystic C from Magic Vans Tarot, and this is you versus them for Libras. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Libra, or if you know a Libra, you can cross-watch this reading for them. Please do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share, friends. And friends, please click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Friends, please do show some support, extra love, extra support for our English readings. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. It means more work for me, but thank you so much. Let us see. We will see in this reading how you are feeling, how your person is feeling. You can also interchange these if you feel the energies are reversed. So let us see, Libras, how you are feeling currently. Join us on Instagram, friends, as Magic Vans Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. Oh my god, oh my god. Libras, why are you so much in your energy? Wow, this is like you are excited. For Libras, how are Libras feeling? The Hierophant, the Justice. See, you're feeling the power, power, power. And the Page of Cups. Very interesting. Let us also take how your person is feeling. Then I'm going to talk about it. How Libra's person is feeling currently. Don't forget to watch the 2021 yearly reading, friend. I have already done it. Yes, friends, super early. I have done it so you can plan and see what the year is going to be and change if you don't like it. You can change things if you don't like it. So your partner is feeling the Eight of Cups, the Seven of Pentacles, the Two of Cups, and the Fool. Interesting, friends. Very interesting. Libras, I think you could be dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person. I feel you are feeling very powerful. You want justice in this situation. You want to tell them how to do things, when to do things. You are feeling very in control, in charge of this connection. Or you want to make this connection balanced. You want this connection to be proper. You want this connection to be like, yes, this is what I want. You want to express your love. You have expressed your love, Libras. Now it is time for justice. Now it is time. You want some justice from this person. You want balance from this person. You want commitment from this person. And what is your person feeling? Wow, they are feeling so much of love for you, Libras. They are completely head over heels in love with you. This person loves you, Libra. And they are definitely waiting to come back to you or start a conversation or again be in a relationship with you. They are definitely watching you, Libra, keeping an eye on you. Also, I feel this person wants a new start or they are working towards a new start with you, Libra, or in their life. So definitely this person is looking at many things in life right now. This is interesting. This person is working on themselves, I feel. Let's see what Libra wants in this connection to happen. What Libra wants in this connection to happen. You, our viewers who are Libras, what you want in this connection to happen. Wow, the Queen of Rods, the King of Pentacles. Wow, you want commitment. You want substance. You don't want any false promises. The Lovers, the Six of Wands, definitely, friends, this could be a twin flame connection for some of you. I told you your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You see them as an equal partner. You see them as a complete match to you, Libra. You want justice. Sorry, friends, I'm so sorry. Apologize for that. You want you want each other to be together. In a relationship, you feel so much passion with this person. I also feel, Libra, there is another person coming into your life, or maybe in their life. Or I feel, Libra, you have a choice. Like, you have a choice. You can choose your person, or you can choose another person. But I feel you want success with your person, and not with this person. You want success not with anyone else. You want absolute forward movement, progress. You don't want to stay behind. You just don't want to wait anymore. You want justice, you want to be in love, you want this connection to move passion, because you feel very passionate towards this person. So you want this connection to move ahead, you don't want things to be, oh, waiting. Who likes to wait? Not Libra, for sure. Let's see, what does this person wants to happen in this connection? Let's see that. Wow, Nine of Cups, Wheel of Fortune. They also want the same things. They also want a change, a movement, a forward progress. I can literally sing now. Uh, Forget it. I'm not a good singer. Five of Wands and the High Priestess. I think you guys are fighting on some issue. Maybe you feel there is a third party, or maybe I feel like you both are very strong people, and your person is also very strong. They are taking their time and not messaging you, talking with you. There is some sort of an argument that is going on. Your person wants to change that thing. They want to fix it. They feel a very strong intuitive connection with you. Libras, they see that you are very intelligent, you are very learned, you have a very spiritual, you are very special. This person feels you are very, very special, and they want to fight for you. They want to fight for you. They want things to change. They want destiny to go in their favor, so you and them can be together. And why? Because they feel this relationship is a dream come true for them. They feel very happy. They feel very content with you. I also feel your person could be a little of a Casanova or a playboy, not like in a bad sense, but they do get a lot of attention. Libras, I think you also get a lot of attention, Libras, but you kind of, turn your back on it. You don't indulge them. This person also gets a lot of attention, but they kind of enjoys it. Instead of denying it, he or she kinds of enjoys it, but they definitely want to make a move towards you, because they know you also know the games they play, and they kind of want to win you because they see you are the prize, Libra. So let us see what will actually happen in this connection. This is what you want, this is what they want, but what will actually happen? Let's see that. Okay, for Libras, what will actually happen in this? Okay. Oh my god, Ace of Cups, King of Rod, and the Seven of Rods, the Eight of Cups, the Ace of Cups, and the, wow, King of Rods. Definitely, you could be. This is your divine masculine or feminine friends. Absolutely. This is a twin flame connection for some of you. You want, actually, what will happen is you want, someone has walked away from this relationship, or maybe if you haven't, maybe you are deciding to walk away, Libra, taking a time away from this person. What will happen? This person will fight back for you. They want to win you. They don't want to lose you. This person will come back again and fight for you. They will express their love for you, which is good. Excellent going, Libras. There is a lot of love in this connection. There is a lot of passion also in this connection. So definitely this person wants to bring you back into their life. They want to fight for this connection. They don't want to lose you. I feel like you may walk out on them because you feel you can't trust them, or they have too many options, Libra, but this person won't let you go. They won't let you go. They are in no mood of letting you go. They want you here and forever and ever. Let us see for Libras, advice for Libras about this connection. Wow, nurture, sacral chakra, solar plexus. This is a high vibrational connection. Twin flames, high vibrational soulmates. Wow, shine, rebuild. See, definitely. I think, Libras, it is time for you to focus a little on yourself, and I think you are doing that, Libras, and this person is also doing that, taking some time, nurturing themselves, focusing on themselves. Also, this person wants to rebuild things with you, and there is a chance things will get better in this connection. And shine. I think this person really likes the way you are. They really feel very attracted. Be yourself, Libras. You both need to be yourself in this connection, because that is what is the magic of this connection, that you both are very, very attracted when you both behave like exactly as you are. Solar plexus, sacral chakra, number 2, number 3. So, absolutely, this person and you both stimulate each other creatively. The high priestess, this is a high vibe. This is an absolute out and out twin flame connection, friends. You both stimulate each other passionately, creatively, egoically, everything. This is perfect. So yeah, and things are going to get better for you. Let me just pull an extra card, Libras. Advice for Libras. All right. Oh, see, good advice from a wise person. So definitely follow your intuition. You will be getting signs and messages regarding this person or this connection. Tulip, great passion. Absolutely, friends. That's perfect. Oh my God, that's perfect. See, you are the Queen of Rods. They appear as the king here. See, and here also they appear as this, perfect partner. There is a great passion here, friends. Absolutely. You also have the sacral chakra, which is about passion, which is about creativity. So there is going to be a great passion and passionate new start in this connection. Success, absolutely, success is assured. Unicorn, use your intuition. I told you, friends. Thank you, angels, for confirming. See, I keep telling you again and again, and still you will not subscribe, like, and share. Friends, I need your extra support for the English readings. Otherwise, I will have to stop them if you do not show your love and support, friends. Come on, pour your love on it. Show me your love, because it's not about me, it's about you. What you like, I have to do that. So if you love it more, I can't stop giving it to you, right? That's like the universe working for us, isn't it? Unicorn, yeah, this person definitely feels you are very special. You also feels they are very, very special and unique. And use your intuition, friends. Use your intuition. That's it for now, Libras. Please do join us on Instagram as Magic Vens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com, friends. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now.